Now, you may have heard of the Leaning Tower of Pisa, but today we're dealing with the vegetarian curry tower, and our restaurant guru, the manager here at the PH Miracle Ranch, who comes up with all these incredible dishes, looking-wise and tasting-wise, has created a wonderful new dish. John, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
The PH Fun Food Show.
Thank you.
You're going to have fun today.
I am. I had fun.
Are we not, Shelley?
That's what it's about.
Absolutely.
Food and fun.
So tell us about this curry vegetarian tower.
Well, what I wanted to do here was to kind of show that, you know, there's all sorts of food from all over the world, and, you know, alkaline food doesn't mean that you can only stay specific to certain regions. So I wanted to show kind of a little bit of a curry recipe, which obviously is famous in India and famous all over the world, because all curry is a blend of spices. So what I did was...
I have been to India, and I like the curry very much. And I like to meditate when I am in India.
Well, there you go.
Yes.
And you are a certain blend of person, too.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, watch it, Jersey. I'm from Philly.
So again, what I'm going to do is I already have cooked this stuff, and I'll tell you about it. And what this is a quinoa, and this is mixed with the Spice Hunter Indian hot curry blend, and also the India turmeric. And
nice.
I think Shelley will tell you a little bit about quinoa.
Turmeric's very healthy, isn't it, Shelley?
Turmeric is very healthy. There's articles saying that turmeric is a cancer fighter. So it's a bitter herb, which is kind of neat, and it also adds a lot of nice color and amber color. You can see how it's made the quinoa very amberish. Quinoa is a lacy grain, kind of a bird seed grain that's a staple in Indian countries, and it's just lighter on the stomach than a starchy rice is, and a little bit higher in protein. So we like quinoa, and it looks like it's going to pack really well in your mold today.
So John, you put the tofu at the bottom.
Yes. So what I did was I roasted all this off in the oven, and what I used was zucchini, yellow crookneck squash, eggplant, and tofu. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stack those with the quinoa just to get some height with it. So what I did first was the tofu, and all I put on there was some of that garlic bread herb seasoning on all the vegetables. So I'm going to stack this up, so don't mind me.
Now what's in the quinoa here? There's turmeric and this curry.
Indian curry, a little lemon juice, and a little garlic.
Nice.
So it's got the curry. And the Today Show they just took on Ann Curry to replace Meredith Vieira. So it's very timely, John.
Very appropriate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was going to do another recipe, but that's what made me do this.
You're inspired by Ann Curry. And if you're watching, it's all about you.
Yeah.
And curry is a body heater. It actually warms the body. So this is a good recipe in cold climates.
And there's all types of curry. There's red,
green curry,
green, yellow.
Yeah.
So
we
like how we're building the tower here.
Thai dishes. Wow, this is fun. Kids would like to make this dish.
Yeah, so it's kind of, you know, you don't want to put too much in. But like I said, just roast this for about 20 minutes in the oven. And then when you press it down, hopefully this will just pull right up. And what this is just your standard, wow, that's can.
Pretty.
You know, you mentioned kids. It would be great for moms to make this with their kids.
Yes.
What a great way they feel a part of the creation.
Yeah, and building something.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's neat.
And like I've said before, I just really like the presentation of it. And if you put that all on a plate, people would be like, oh, that's nice. But, you know, be a little creative and kind of use your creativity to build it up. And people like to see height. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to garnish this with a little alfalfa sprout and broccoli sprout.
Pretty. Nice.
Right here. And then
how'd you get this idea? Your imagination?
Yeah, I mean, you know, that's why I'm a creative chef, you know.
Exactly. You can take the Jersey out of the boy, but you can't take the boy out of Jersey.
That's true. What I have here, I just diced up some sun-dried tomatoes, which will go nicely with
Love those.
A lot of flavor.
How do you make those quickly in a capsule?
Well, you go out to the store and you buy some nice organic ones.
Because
there's really no way quickly doing sun-dried tomatoes because, you know, sun-dried, they have to stay for a while. And then I'm going to put some lemon zest on there. Lemon zest is really nice to add some citrus flavor, and you know, I feel like not a lot of people know what to do with the lemon skin, and there's a really nice thing to do. And then in a previous segment, I showed you how to make some sauces. And all I did was I did that same sauce of the cauliflower and the garlic and added some turmeric to give it that nice yellow color. I'm just going to thin some of that out. And
so this is a cauliflower sauce again, right?
Again, yeah.
Nice.
Now this isn't drizzling. This
Great
is...
base.
No.
We're dolloping now.
Yeah.
It's a dollop.
That's a dollop if I've ever seen one.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Okay, and then again,
Wow.
always finish it off with a nice little seasoning on it if you'd like.
Pretty.
And that seasoning is...
And this is an Indian curry. And you can see, as Paul has said, this is the Leaning Tower. So eat it quick. But
It's got an Italian influence.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed that. And
how beautiful. And what a great idea. This is just a can that anybody could open up both ends at home and experiment and make your family some Leaning Towers of health.
So we're glad that you were viewing us today. John, always.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Joy and a pleasure.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
You're an artist.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And this is delicious.
What a creation. It needs a frame.
I know.
Bravo,
Yeah.
bravo, John Hellmers.
Yeah.
Go Red Sox.
There you go.